In the afternoon, Tung sahur will go fishing in the river. He went fishing using a small boat. Tung sahur get big fish, enough to eat today. He immediately went home and brought the fish to his house. When he got home, he immediately cut the fish. Then the fish cooked by Tung sahur for this afternoon's meal. The fried fish is already cooked. Tung sahur immediately eat it in front of his house. While sitting and relaxing, Tung sahur is also full. Come on friends, help Tung sahur by clicking subscribe.